Yeah, good morning. Myself Thulaseedas, CEO of Tharayil Power Energy Solution Private Limited. We have started the business relation with GEESYS, I think, 5 years ago. And it is a very nice product. And right now we are in Trivandrum for a Solar City project. What we are expecting from GEESYS is the local supply should be improved, and availability of material should be there in Trivandrum, so that we can anytime we will be able to take the material or use the material for this one. And the second one is we are expecting is we are already getting the credit facility and everything from them, but the quality of the product is very much better than any when compared to the other suppliers. That is the reason that we are still with GEESYS. So we are having further some planning for the Solar City project for the higher capacities. So accordingly, GEESYS technical team also should be in Kerala, around in the Trivandrum area. That is what we required from them. Yeah, actually I was not aware about the recent the BOS one. Actually we used to procure it separately from other vendors, but there is a good facility that BOS is available with the GEESYS, and it can directly dispatch to each and every customer. That is something different, it's a good facility over there. BOS concept is very good, and especially the material management and warehousing management we can entirely eliminate for the developer side, and it can directly source it from the GEESYS and directly to the consumer area. That is a benefit. That is what I believe. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.